Hello, so last week I had some issues with the audio on my video, and I'm trying a different medium of measuring my audio, and so if you could comment on this and let me know if the audio is working on this, I would really appreciate it. But without further ado, this is Lab 3, the black hole, and I'm Megan Jermack, and so my seed was mjermack at godtech.edu. And so for this lab, we were tasked with finding the mass of the black hole based on this model, which would give us the F-net of the system based on the momentum, which is based on the velocity, which is given through the seed and like their way of just generating a velocity based on your Gmail or your Georgia Tech email, I guess. And so basically obviously I included snippets of my code where I found p-hat, f-net, dp/dt, and basically using Newton's second law, you can see that I found that f-net was equal to dp/dt, and that can pretty much be used to solve for the rest of the values. I also wanted to point out how I found the distance from the star to the black hole, which is using this, the magnitude of the star position and the force of gravity equation to find the mass of the black hole. And this number right here, 1.33707 times e to the 34, is what we got for the mass of the black hole. I also wanted to show above how I found that, which is using F-net equals F-grav, which is equals to the g constant times the mass of the black hole times the mass of the star over the distance squared, which gives that mass for the black hole. And in analyzing my data, I found that F-net and its components are different from the rate of change of momentum in its components because F-net cannot be visualized and measured through motion change like the rate of change of momentum can be. This is because numerically they are the same, but you can find the rate of change of momentum just by looking at small data points and just checking the change between points. But using Newton's second law, we know that F-net is equal to dp/dt, or the change in momentum, or the rate of change of momentum. For the second question, we were asked to analyze in this lab if there was a difference in the F-net of the system. This is the question where it's asking us about if they put a new black hole. If there was a difference in the F-net of the system, then one could use this new F-net to calculate the mass of the new black hole. However, if there was no difference in the behavior of the F-net of the system, then it could be implied that the mass of the new black hole is equal to that of the old black hole. So basically, you would just rerun the system, and whatever you found the F-net to be based on this new black hole, you could plug that in to find the new mass of the black hole. Thank you so much. Bye.